To clean debris from under the pallets in the destacker, first park in front of the pallets at the back of the machine. Do not enter the pallets. Block the front of the machine with a pallet or cone to prevent the machine from being used. Confirm that the indicator circles are green. Then turn the switch to hold, which illuminates the yellow light. Return to the walkie rider and dispense the bottom 2 pallets out the back. Remain parked in front of the machine to avoid it from being used. Walk to the front of the machine, lift and rotate both the safety arms under the pallet stack until they fall into the locked position. Remove the debris by sweeping the floor under the pallet stack. Lift and rotate the safety arms out and into the stowed position. Ensure that your feet are not near the pallet stack. Then switch the machine to run. The yellow light will go off and the pallet stack will lower to the floor. The latches will reset into the 3rd pallet and the indicator circles will turn from red to green. Confirm that the circles are green. Then park to the side of the machine and fill out the cleaning chart.